Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share 3 electronics, but not 3 of them in this video. We are going to share 2 of them in this video and the third one in the next one, that is tripod. So first of all, let's start with signature and 2010 not 2210 Audionic wireless headphones. Headrest it is called, not headphones. So it is a bit tricky to open it. Okay, at last I found it where to open it. Okay, let's open and slowly take out the wires. So we do not want to break it, do we? It is new, we haven't even used it. Slowly, steadily. Yes, here we go. It is almost out. Now it is out. So it is very nice and it is magnetic. Very good. It has American chips and the sound that we don't need, it throws it out of the chips. And here it has the Audionic label on one side and the bit model information that you cannot read, but a computer sure can. And here it has the charger point where you have to charge it. This is the on off button and the volume button. So this circle is the on off. Let me show you how to on it. If you wear it first and then on it, you will hear a sound that your headrest is on, and when you connect it to a mobile, you will hear that your headrest is connected or disconnected, whatever you are going to do. And it is stretchable. It is how much time you stretch it, it will be the same. So let's take it out. Here we have the warranty card. Okay, yes, here it is. Audionic warranty card and a bit information that you can read. And here is the accessory box. Let's see what accessories we have here. Oh, this must be the lead and the charger, of course. Here, let's put it aside. And here is the instruction cards user guide. So if you want, you can read it, but as you know, I know about it, so I'm not going to read. Here we have the 3 types of earbuds, you can say. The one that it is present on the headrest, they are normal size. You can even change them to small size and big size. So here, let me tell you how to charge it. The big side is used to connect to the laptop, but laptop, or even to a charger. Even a charger lead you can use to charge it, but mostly people connect it to the laptop and then charge it. And if you keep it near your mobile, here, let me tell you more. But first, here's the thing. You have to slowly pull it and then press in the lead and then connect it to the laptop. Yes, I was telling you that people mostly connect it to the laptop to charge it, but you can connect anywhere to charge it. So these were our first thing that I told you. Magnetic headrest. It is very nice though. It is wireless and it has a warranty of 1 year official warranty, and it plays up to 12 hours, 12 or 11 you can say, but it is very nice though. And here we have our second one, that is, okay, let me tell you, solo Bluetooth stereo. I can't read it so fast, but this is also Bluetooth headphone. So first take out this wire. I will tell you the name after the video ends. So here you have to stretch a bit to open it like this. So let me tell you the functions it has. It can go wider, or this means that it is for both grown-ups and children's, and it is very comfortable. It also gives you a current shock, so don't touch this part that I'm touching, but it is off right now, so it is okay, and not charged as well. So this is the thing you have to put the wire. This is the charger one, and the wire one, let me tell you. Here, these are the buttons. This is the call button, and this is the volume plus button, volume minus button, on off button. Okay, yes, on off buttons we have here. You can even move them. Okay, let me tell you about the wire. It is same as the headest one, but there's a bit difference about them as the company is different. So this is a wire that you can connect to the laptop. It is and the mobile. It is worked both as wireless or with wire. Here like this I'm going on, and now I'm going to play a music, but you can't hear it because I'm wearing it. Now let me just put it and now wear it. Now let me just turn on a bit song. Okay, so here we go to the YouTube, and here we search Flavours in Life, as I've already searched it, as it's my channel. So here you go, you can click on any video. And can you guys hear the song? No, because I'm wearing it, so I can hear it, the song, as I'm wearing it. So I hope you liked it. So we hope you liked it, and we are going to share the next one in the next video as it was going long. So until there, take care. Allah Hafiz. Okay guys, as promised, I'm telling you the name of the headphone. Company of the headphone is Monster, and you will find out when you search it. So take care. Bye bye.